Hello guys, how are you? Actually, in my today's vlog, after so many time, I am recording my vlog, and from last 2 weeks, I am not uploading any videos. Many students and many brothers asking me, bro, why are you not uploading your videos? Actually, because as you know, the paper will come in next 2 months. I will prepare for. Actually, now 2 months remaining for the exam ND2 2024. Actually, now in this video I am telling you how I prepare for my exam, and what is the strategy to crack NDA2 2024. Actually, I am telling you my story in my side, actually what I am doing, and what I am currently pursuing. Okay, so let's as you know, in ND exam, two papers are conducted. First is a maths and second is general ability test. Because many of you are defense aspirants, as you all know, the paper pattern, actually I am not discussing about it. So currently, talking about the ND exam, so then actually I am preparing for ND exam for the Arpit Chaudhary SSB guide mobile application Sankalp batch. In this batch, actually I am doing with Parveen sir, or uh, Arpit sir, or Gauri ma'am, Dheeraj sir. Actually, many faculties help me to actually is providing DPPs and solve question many. Because as you know, I'm I were also prepare for from YouTube, but actually I'm not consistent there. Therefore, I am thinking about purchasing the batch. So I think I have in 2 months before, actually I'm purchasing the SSB guide app, and now I am currently zero backlog. Actually, I have zero backlog. I am completing daily lectures on the daily basis. I have not backlog any backlog. On let's talking about how I have not backlog. Then first you have to watch the lectures, and not in recording form. Must be see the lectures in the live, because you have to ask any question, or you have any doubt, you can ask easily. But when you see the recording or anything, you have doubts, then who will asking you? Actually, I'm talking about mathematics. As you all know, math cutoff is 75. You must have to score 75 out of 300 to pass. Actually, I am not preparing for passing the marks. Actually, I am preparing for 100 or 120 marks. And then I am talking how I can easily achieve it. Then talking about I am preparing. Actually, I am doing by DPPs, because in first time you will do DPPs. Actually, previous are giving me function 300 question, derivative 250 question, actually limit 270 question. He will do chapters and give around 300 questions of this chapter, because as you know, there is more questions you will do. Actually, he is saying that you need no need to solve PYQ, you only do please this TPP, and do more and more 3 or 4 times, because if one time you do, you will not remembering it. Then please do the DPPs 3 or 4 times. After that, you will be remembering the topics, and please revise the notes of mathematics in my previous attempt. Actually, I have noted everything, but actually I am not learning this, and last time I forget everything in my exam, what the topics, and easily one mistake creates big problem in exam. Actually, last talking about an English exam, because English exam has more more important, because it is has 200 of marks out of 900. So actually I am preparing from it, Gauri ma'am and Dheeraj sir also. Actually, Gauri ma'am also preparing for me vocabulary, and Dheeraj sir also for sporting error, also you can call grammar. Actually, I am following one book or for this. Actually, I am following Go to NDA book English. Actually, I have delivered from Amazon, and I am following it. Actually, I am doing 15 antonym, 15 synonym, and 10 spotting error or 10 vocabulary daily. This helps me a lot in English. Actually, this is only thing we can do for English. We can only revise daily. Daily 10 vocabularies is insufficient. Okay, let's talking about physics and chemistry and biology. As you all know, ninth and 10th NCRT book is sufficient for physics, chemistry and biology. As you all know, ninth and 10th NCRT book is completely sufficient, and you will not to see any lectures or studying from somewhere or anything, because everyone is demotivating you, and big lectures you have seen for 4 to 5 hours marathons, do, because very thin books of ninth and 10th. Actually, I have read it out, and many simple language in this book explaining you. Actually, now talking about geography. Geography is the major subject, and in this previous attempt we see 20 questions come from it, and 20 questions are from which has multiple options like 1 2 3, and every questions has statements, and no questions has four option, because geography's level is coming from very high. Then we will have to do something practicing more questions like statement questions. So you can definitely go to lectures from YouTube. Basically, I am from watching Jatin sir's lectures in SSB guide Sankalp batch, but you can see Jatin sir's 30 videos, or Jatin sir's marathon 12 hours for physical geography, 12 hours for world geography, 12 hours for Indian geography. You can see you can see this, because in this 36 hour he completed his whole geography. You will not have to see any lectures. You will to see only one lectures marathon in which whole geography is completed. Then let's talking about history. Actually, I'm escaping history because I have no longer knowledge in history, because as you all know, the history syllabus is very vast, and economics syllabus also weightage is very low. Then I am not also preparing for economics, but polity I am studying 2 or 3 topics like preamble or articles or part 4. बस तो this is all for today. Bye bye. Next, meet you soon. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.